Hello everyone, I'm Data Dude. Welcome to this overview of the Future Tech Solutions HR chatbot, which is an innovative tool designed to streamline HR inquiries for employees. So it assists all employees, with all their HR related inquiries, and also the chatbots can also help with, inquiries related to company policies, employees benefits, leave request and payroll information. So this is the web interface for the first page, which will require the employee to enter their name and and their ID. So in this video, we will take a closer look at how the HR chatbot works, from the underlying code to the user interface that we interact with. So let's start by taking us through the code. First, we load our OpenAI API key securely using environment variables. This allows us to access the OpenAI API, which powers the chatbot itself. Then we create and uploaded vector stores for different HR knowledge bases, such as the company employees, the employees benefits, the payroll, and leave request. So each of these knowledge bases, is stored in a separate text file, as you can see here, and they are uploaded to the OpenAI platform. So now we create specialized assistants for each knowledge base. So these assistants are configured with specific instructions to ensure, they only respond to the queries related to their designated, topics. For example, the company policy assistant will only, address questions about company policy alone. As you can see here, as part of the prompt, when an employee asks a question, please provide detailed information based on the queries and suggest additional relevant topics they might be interested in. But if a query is outside the scope, you must politely decline to answer. So let's get to the web app interface. So the web app interface is built using Streamlit, which is a powerful and user-friendly framework for building web applications in Python. So here, we need to enter a name and ID, which I will just use my name. Please note that the name of the company used is not real. So I just, created a fiction company for this project's sake. So I'll just use this. So it will log me in. So when an employee log in, the app will greet them with a personalized welcome message, making the interaction more engaging and friendly. So as you can see, so it said, welcome, Kudus Raji Adewale with my ID. How can we assist you today with your HR related inquiries? Again, so it said choose an HR assistant to interact with. So if I click on this button here, but don't let me get there first. So as you can see, the sidebar aspect. So you can see content of what the chatbot can do. So here I will click on here to list. As you can see, we have the different chatbots here: company policy, employees benefit, leave request, and payroll. So any assistant that the employee want to interact with, maybe they want to have ask question about the leave or employee benefit or the company policy, they will just need to just click on the specific chatbot on the assistant that they want to, ask question, from. So here I will be asking question from the company policy assistant. So he said, ask your question here. So this is where I will, paste my question, or let me say my queries. I said, what is the company's policy on remote work? So let me submit. So it will give me an output now. So the assistant has responded. So he said, Future Tech Solutions has a policy that addresses remote work arrangements primarily in the context of inclement weather and emergency situations. So according to the policy, number one, remote work arrangements for emergencies. In the case of severe weather or other emergency, Future Tech Solution may close offices or implement remote work arrangements to ensure employee safety. So This is, the information that's inside the company policy that the employee may not have access to at hand, but with the help of the assistant, they can easily, get information faster and, easily. So yeah, it also suggests more, more additional topic that the employee may want to ask. So as you can see now, okay, additionally, you might be interested in the following or in the following related topics, like the use of company properties, the data security, the confidentiality aspects. So you said, okay, is there anything else you would like to know about? So let's continue. Let's ask another thing. So I want us to ask something that is not even related with the maybe company at all. So let's say, what area in Scotland can I go for vacation? So let's submit. Yeah, it's okay. This is a response from the assistant. Remember I prompted the assistant that he should, politely decline if any query, is out of the scope. So he said it looks like I only have access to the company policy document, which do not contain information on vacation areas in Scotland. So you might want to look up travel guides or tourism website for Scotland. So if you have any, you know, queries related to the company policy, such as the code of conduct, attendance, and all, so feel free to ask. So you can see here. So it has been guided and streamlined to answer specific tasks. You get. So another question that we want to ask from the company policy chatbot is that, okay, can I use my corporate email for personal purposes? So the essence of the assistant is that it stores all the messages in a thread, which is what ChatGPT and every other chatbot use. So here is okay. Said, can I use my corporate email? So this is a response from the assistant. He said, okay, future tech solution policy states that technology resources, including corporate email, are provided for business purposes. Employees are expected to use these resources responsibly and professionally, and also it is recommended to avoid, using corporate email for personal matters to stay, compliant with the company policy and prevent any potential issue. So it also suggests that, okay, if you have any more questions or you need further clarification on other policy, feel free to ask. So the next thing I want us to do is to use another assistant. Let me use payroll. So this is the question I want to ask the payroll assistant. Okay, how do I access my online pay stub and okay. So you can see this. Okay, the assistant said you can access your pay stub, and W2 forms online through Future Tech Solution Employee Self Service Portal. Here is how you can do it. Accessing online, pay stub. So it gives easy and direct guide, as you can see here. So if you have any question or encounter issue accessing the portal, you can contact the payroll department. As you see, the message is clear, concise, and directly address the question, ensuring that the employees get the information they need efficiently. So beyond handling employee inquiries, an AI-powered chatbot can, also enhance other HR processes, like assisting in the recruitment processes and also guiding new employees through onboarding. The AI will assist by integrating the assistant API with the company career portal, so that the chatbot can analyze and screen job application. This approach expedites the screening process, also reduces the human error, and also allow HR professionals to focus on interviewing and hiring the best candidates. And the second one is guiding new employees through onboarding process by incorporating the assistant API to the onboarding portal or an app designed for new hires. So the assistant can provide a comprehensive and structured onboarding experiences. For the onboarding process and assistance, it can offer a checklist of tasks, to be completed, and also provide tutorials or trainings materials for new hires, and also answer questions about the onboarding process and schedule reminders maybe for meetings and training sections. You get so it provides a seamless and structured onboarding experience, ensuring all necessary steps are completed in a timely manner, and also helping new employees feel more welcome and prepared to start their role. Thank you for watching this overview. We hope that you found this informative and excited about the possibilities this HR chatbot brings to enhancing employee support at any company. So if you have any question or need more further information, feel free to reach out to me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more